Hi, this is your buddy, Dr. John Isego here. The question I want to ask, are we a country of the rule of law or the whims and caprices of men? Are we a nation of the rule of law or a nation where wickedness thrives? Why should Nnamdi Kanu remain in perpetual detention? The court has freed him. But the opinion of the cabals, those who think that they own the country, those who think that anyone who dares speak his or her mind becomes an object of attack. Why should Nnamdi remain in detention, for Christ's sake? Why should he remain in detention? Now let me warn, especially the Igbo men and the Igbo women, the Igbos. All of you that have positions in government or in leadership, as long as Kanu remains in detention, all of you are in detention. Didn't you see what the Yorubas did? When Sunday Igboho was in the same predicament, they all rose up, they spoke with one voice. Why should some of you Igbo men lose your mind and your sanity because of money? As long as Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, all Igbos are in detention. I'm not an Igbo man, but I have to tell you the truth, that these guys are test running a very wicked agenda. A day will come, they're going to pick all the top Igbo men and lock them up. Because you guys were silent when Nnamdi Kanu was there, you didn't say anything, they are going to make sure that they deal with all of you. But let me tell the government, this wickedness has to stop. If the law says a man is free, free him. What laws are we running? The Fulanis that are killing people in Nigeria, how many of them are in jail? How many of them have been convicted? This is evil. What you are doing, the government, this is evil. Let Nnamdi Kanu go. The Fulanis are killing people everywhere. You guys are doing nothing about it. But let me say this, God will judge all of you. God will judge all of you. And the judgment of God, no one can escape it.
The apex Igbo socio-cultural organization, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, condemned the persistent and unacceptable stalemate surrounding the prolonged incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. Ohanaeze expressed dismay over inaction exhibited by the Southeast governors, who appear to be playing the ostrich in the grave matter. A statement issued on Sunday by Ohanaeze's factional deputy president general, Okechukwu Isigozoro, in firmest terms, called on the governors to abandon their counterproductive ostrich politics and re-evaluate their roles as leaders. The statement read in part, "The collective aspirations of the Southeast must be prioritized. If there is further hesitation or lethargy in addressing this crucial issue of Kanu's release, we will mobilize the electorate to express their discontent through their votes in the upcoming elections. This is a stern warning and should not be taken lightly. We extend our heartfelt assurances to the family of Nnamdi Kanu, who rightly voiced their frustrations regarding the apparent failures of the Southeast governors. We recall the promises made during the governors' meeting on July 2, 2024, in Enugu, a meeting that was broadcast widely and which ostensibly committed these leaders to engage President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in securing Kanu's freedom. The shocking allegations from Kanu's family, claiming that the Southeast governors have since declined invitations to discuss his release, warrant immediate and thorough investigation. Ohanaeze Ndigbo will pursue a forensic intelligence inquiry to uncover the motivations behind this disconcerting turn of events. The underlying truth suggests that the Southeast governors are exhibiting profound nervousness and cold feet vis-à-vis engagement with the federal government. There is evident trepidation surrounding their ability to provide the necessary assurances to President Tinubu that post-Kanu's release, the integrity of the Nigerian state remains intact. The fear of impending political ramifications regarding their RRE election bids, particularly for 4 out of 5 governors, and the vice presidential aspirations of one among them, underscores a troubling pattern of self-serving politics over communal welfare. We must confront this reality with unvarnished clarity. The deliberate nature of this delay in action can be traced back to the psychological scars left from the 2017 court sessions involving Senator Enyinnaya, Abaribe, who stood surety for Kanu. This historical context cannot be overlooked, as it plays a significant role in shaping the current dynamics of leadership within the Southeast. Ohanaeze Ndigbo strongly condemns the evident lack of political will and leadership tenacity demonstrated by the Southeast governors. It is incumbent upon them to discard personal interests and focus intently on collective Igbo goals. We declare that, in the absence of vigorous advocacy from these leaders, we shall adopt indigenous and grassroots approaches to facilitate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release. This organization asserts that the Southeast governors must not continue to play the ostrich and refrain from decisive actions that could lead to Kanu's liberation. Our strategic support for President Tinubu's re-election in 2027 hinges exclusively on ensuring that Kanu is released from detention. We firmly believe that the incessant insecurity challenges plaguing the Southeast will gradually diminish upon Kanu's release and will pave the way for lasting peace and stability. Ohanaeze Ndigbo pledges absolute commitment to offering ourselves as sureties to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, reaffirming that any conditions set forth will be honored to bolster trust and facilitate Kanu's release. We are prepared to go to great lengths, even sacrificing our personal liberties, to achieve this noble objective. We humbly urge our fellow Igbos to exercise patience as we navigate the complexities surrounding Kanu's release. The truth underlying these delays must be known. As long as the Southeast governors hesitate to forge constructive solutions in collaboration with the presidency, Ohanaeze Ndigbo stands ready to take the initiative. We are confident that unwavering Igbo support can safeguard President Tinubu from any perceived northern conspiracies aimed at undermining his re-election bid, with the understanding that in return, Kanu's release will be a powerful reciprocal gesture toward the Igbo nation. Stay tuned for more updates, stay safe, and have a blessed day.